In this video, we're going to show how to use Carlson's drawing cleanup utility to have it do a lot of the things you would normally do when you first open a drawing all at once instead of having to go in and do them individually to begin work. For example, line work that's not joined up, so you don't want the hatch entities to appear, things like that. You find this under File and Drawing Cleanup. Under here, here's all your different items. If there's anything in inches, convert to feet. If there's any XREF files that need to be brought into the base file, then you can go ahead and have it automatically do that. Remove useless layers, duplicate points, lines, convert items that are not polylines into polylines, join up line work with the same endpoints. Ton of useful stuff here. I'm going to turn off reduce polyline vertices. I'll do that at the end of a drawing usually if I need to reduce it to make the file size smaller for older data collectors. But basically all you do is just hit OK and it's going to start thinking about it. It's asking if there's a coordinate file we want to apply to it. I'm just going to hit the X on it. I'll join all the line works with same endpoints. And once it's complete, gives you a report of everything it's done. Uh, you can see here a lot of work's been fixed for us. File size has been reduced a huge amount, getting rid of all the hatching and unnecessary items, and now we have a good file to begin working with. Just click an example here. So say like this EP. So you can see now it's joined up all the way around uh, until it runs into a break right there in the line. Uh, all the hatching's removed. Basically, you have something nice and clean to work with. Hope you've enjoyed this and let me know if you have any questions.